got myself a KTM 790. I wish I didn't, but yeah, I didn't know much about KTM at the time. Well, this specific one, but it's a big one, it's not hard. So I was like to myself, it's high up, coming off the X-Max, sort of squashed up and that. There's a lot of room when I read it, but it's got a problem. So when you start it, I don't want to say start it. So, don't know much about the history. All I know, the last service was done in 22. It's a 2020 bike, we're in 26 now. So, my last MOT was done a year and a half ago and expired. So I've got an MOT booked in today. So let's see what it does when I try to start it. So that's what it does. It starts and cut out. Could do that a few times. Starts and cut out. I don't know if that's the cam or not, but I believe it's bad fuel. So we're going to drain the fuel. Well, we're not going to drain the fuel. We're going to take some fuel out and see what the fuel is like inside. Hopefully. And go from there. The bike is done 30,000. And yeah, let's pull some fuel from the tank and see what it's like.
Because the gas will come on constantly, surely.
Yeah. No, if it's a
if
cam.
It was the camshaft, surely it would be constant.
Yeah. No. So we've got a little makeshift device. I'm going to try some of the fuel. Go from there.
Got one more?
Yes, skinnier one. I found the syringe. Oh.
Right, Lewis, I'm going upstairs.
Okay. So, the fuel is good. I did, but obviously it starts to cut out, But that fuel looked good to me. How can we test it? So, I pulled the fuel. Don't know if you can see that, but that's what it looked like. Hopefully, to be honest, it's flammable, but it's not a strong scent. So we're going to top it up later on when I run this a bit and go from there. So yeah, the fuel will look questionable, but okay, it's not bad. Not that bad. Yeah, so I tried twice starting it. Now I'm going to start it for the third time. Let's see what happens. It's not that cold out here either.